everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remesh in Blender. So first, let's see how we can remesh this text and make it look like this one. Way more clean topology. So first, select it. Control and A on the keyboard to apply visual geometry to mesh. Now add a modifier of remesh and set it to sharp. Set the threshold to 0. Set the octree depth to 6. And that's great. So this is how it looks now. And this is how it looked before. It's way better. Now you can apply this modifier and this is it. So next, let's take a look at voxel and QuadiFlow remesh. So here I have two metaballs which I've applied them to mesh, and let's see how we can remesh it since this topology isn't so clean. So go to Object Data Properties, Remesh. Here we have voxel and QuadiFlow remesh. First, let's voxel remesh it. And you can see that it's way more clean than what it was. But now, let's take a look at the QuadiFlow remesh. So click on it. The mode is set to faces by default, but I prefer a ratio. Okay. And you can see that you get a flow. Lastly, Let's see how we can make it look voxely. So, select the object, go to Modifier Properties, add a modifier of Remesh, Blocks, and you can see the less the scale is, the less blocks you have. The more the scale is, the more blocks you have. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.